absolutely crazy in the Catskill Mountains this morning. It's just crazy, right? Kim, look at this sign. You're gonna hate this.
Because I just don't think that that's funny. Not one bit.
Okay, the viewing platform is 0.3 miles. It's just over a quarter mile.
Really?
All right, I just want to tell everybody, you know, I'm sick of getting all these messages about, you know, Skip Stone isn't real. All right? Well, Skip Stone is real. I'm right here. All right? This is real skin. It's my real face. And I'm in the mountains. Okay? So there you go. Skip Stone is real. Yeah. Okay. This is Kaaterskill Falls in the Catskills in winter. It's pretty hairy. So you got to be careful. Trails is super icy. I'll probably take a spill here. So it's like I'm ice skating down here. You can see the ice. This is the viewing platform. There's the mountains. But this is the spectacle everyone comes to see right here. The Kaaterskill Falls is 260 feet high. It's just amazing. Comes down, goes down there. So yeah, this is pretty wild. Pretty wild, guys. But a beautiful day at that. This is like the bridge of the clouds, we're gonna call this. Wow.
Although we thoroughly enjoyed the Kaaterskill Falls, the day wasn't over. We found a really cool animal sanctuary at the Catskill Animal Sanctuary and had a wonderful time on a guided tour.
What's up, big boy? What's up, big boy? How you doing, buddy? This is Mario, this guy in the middle. Mario is a total sweetheart. He loves everybody. Yeah, go ahead, you give him some nice scritchies on his head.
Come here, Levi. I gotta tell you something. What are you doing? Eating in a pickup truck.
Oh, Sandy's a little more shy. Hi, Sandy.
Cricket. She's got socks on.
Yeah.
That's Dharma and Echo. This guy? Milton! Milton is 4 years old.
You want to get?
Yep. This guy. No! No, this is still a kid. Yeah. This is a baby. Yeah. So cows are not fully grown until they are 5.
Oh my
So
God.
he is actually still gonna grow a little more. Not too much. He's done most of his growing. But he's still gonna grow a little bit more. Oh, we're not gonna see her today. But she's doing okay. I saw her the other day. She's happy over there with her friends. Yeah, she just lives in a different field. This guy is like 2,000 pounds or something like that. And he has a twin sister. Yep, those are the twins. Yep, the black and white ones are the twins.
So is that like almost impossible?
It's not super. Oh, she's going back inside. We can follow her back inside. She came out for a drink of water.
That's the way they play.
Yep, yeah, they're just messing around. That is also the way that they fight, but it's sort of like with dogs. Like, you know, when you can look and you can see, okay, those dogs are playing, or like, ooh, those dogs are fighting. Like, you can tell the difference between them. They're just messing around.
Yeah, yeah.
They have like a younger brother, older brother dynamic. Very cute. Yeah, they cover it with a big, huge truck. This time of year we go through a lot more hay because, you know, so the hay truck comes every like 2 weeks or so. The best way to say hi to them is the kind of, what are you doing? She says no thanks.
No, thank you.
She's like a sorely.
The little black and white one is shy. Lena, would you like to say hi? If you move nice and slowly, and then when you get up to them, you get down lower. Because if you're standing really tall over them, they get kind of scared. But like this one here, this is Lena, and she's very sweet. So if you did want to come up very slowly. Izzy, you're okay, my dear. The other one who you could try that with is this guy. Oh, let's start moving. We will a lot of times give it to like wildlife rehab places, and so they'll use it because like shearing time for sheep is the same time as like they have a lot of baby animals that they're rescuing. So they'll use it for little beds for the critters.
Do you happen to have any laying around?
And yeah, they just kind of fall right out.
Now they're all looking at you, Kim. Look at the one in the barn. Get out.
They're like up in super shape.
It's like, all right, we got visitors, guys.
Up right away. Let us in, babe, okay? Let us in first. Handsome.
Is that actually Willie or are you making a name for him?
No, this is Willie. He's named for a
How'd you know?
practice. My job, you know. I mean, 42 sheep when they all did get named. That was a lot to try to remember. I feel like I have to learn the names of 42 sheep. But I just sat out here. Nope.
Well, Kim, this is where the term holy sheep shit comes from. Because there is tons of sheep shit.
This is very clever.
Alright, so again, like I said, the best thing to do is try to hear them. Come on, Willie. They come here to stay.
Probably a good thing to actually. What's the name?
Willie is here. Like, it's okay. I'll do that.